Members of the House of Representatives Press Corps have commended the Speaker of the Ninth House of Representatives, Honorable Femi Gbajabiamila, for his contributions to the legislative process. Chairperson of the Corps, Grace Ike, while presenting a card on behalf of the Corps to congratulate the Speaker on his re-election for the 10th House of Assembly, said there's room for a more robust relationship.
With you, Nigeria is going to be a better place. The election has come and gone, and we all prayed and hoped for a better election, which has come and gone. So for us, it's a welcome development to come and say congratulations, and to also give you our card, no matter how small it is, we like to first of all identify with you, and we are happy that the speaker, the talk and the speaker, who says and does one election that have carried. Thank you very much.
The Speaker, in his response, expressed excitement and appreciation to the Corps for the supportive role the media played in informing Nigerians on the Electoral Acts and other bills which topped the achievements of the Ninth House of Assembly.
Ethnicity was about so many other things which unfortunately I hope that as we develop as a nation, the main criteria for determination of one's election is solely on his mostly his or her his performance on the floor and in the constituency. That's what I hope happens over long, and that's why I mentioned the electoral act that was just passed. I fought tooth and nail to make sure members of the electoral act will be adopted strictly in the direct primaries mode for primaries, because in elections.
Just like everyone, the media is looking forward to a more productive legislative process with the outcome of the just concluded 2023 National Assembly elections. Annie T. Patrick, Core TV News, Abuja.